How are India-Taliban relations changing? Why news? Recently, Afghanistan foreign minister visited to India. This is his first official trip since the Taliban's return to power. Recently, Afghanistan का foreign minister ने India visit किया है. The visit marks a significant shift in India's foreign policy as New Delhi engaged with the Taliban despite not officially recognizing their government. इंडिया तालिबान के साथ इंगेज कर रहा है, बट इंडिया ने ऑफिशियली तालिबान गवर्नमेंट को रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं गिवन किया है. India should focus Taliban's stance on women's rights and governance. India's early encounters with the Taliban are diplomatic dead end. 1999 IC-814 hijacking. India's first significant engagement with the Taliban occurred during the 1999 IC-814 hijacking, when then External Affairs Minister communicated with Taliban's Foreign Minister. इंडिया का पहली बार तालिबान के साथ एंगेजमेंट 1999 में IC-814 हाईजैकिंग के ड्यूरिंग हुआ था, बिकॉज उस टाइम पर इंडिया के एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर ने तालिबान फॉरेन मिनिस्टर के साथ कम्युनिकेट किया था इस हाईजैकिंग के रिस्पेक्ट में. हाउएवर, इंडिया एंड तालिबान led a real common ground as the Taliban remained deeply influenced by Pakistan, making any meaningful diplomatic connection difficult. India's cautious engagement with the Taliban. Strategy of cautious engagement. After the Taliban captured Kabul in 2021, India adopted a strategy of cautious engagement, choosing incremental diplomatic contact without granting formal recognition to the regime. इंडिया ने तालिबान के साथ cautious engagement strategy फॉलो किया है. The first official interaction occurred in 2021 when India's ambassador met with head of the Taliban's political office in Doha. The meeting, initiated at the Taliban's request, marked India's re-entry into Afghan policy. India's call for inclusivity. Soon after, India asked the Taliban to form an inclusive government that represented all ethnic groups and included women. इंडिया ने तालिबान से इंक्लूसिव गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म करने के लिए अर्ज किया, जिसमें ऑल एथनिक ग्रुप एंड वुमेन का रिप्रेजेंटेशन होना चाहिए. ह्यूमैनिटेरियन आउटरीच एंड रीओपनिंग चैनल्स. In 2021, India sent 1.6 ton of essential medicines to Afghanistan, resuming humanitarian engagement. By 2022, India deepened ties with a visit by delegation led by Ministry of External Affairs Joint Secretary. During the current visit, India decided to upgrade its technical mission to Kabul to an embassy. This marked the first official Indian presence since the Taliban takeover. Responding to human rights concern. In 2022, India publicly expressed concern over the Taliban's ban on women attending universities, reinforcing its stance on women's rights and inclusive government. 2022 में इंडिया ने पहली बार वुमेन के यूनिवर्सिटी अटेंड करने से रिलेटेड जो तालिबान का जो डिनाई वहाँ पर किया गया है, उसके अगेंस्ट इंडिया ने अपने कंसर्न रेज किए. By the end of 2023, tensions resurfaced as the Afghan embassy in New Delhi ceased operations, citing a lack of support. Evolving regional diplomacy 2024-25. In January 2024, Taliban foreign minister hosted diplomats from 11 regional countries, including India, advocating a region-centric narrative for constructive engagement. The Taliban government condemned the Pahalgam terror attack, aligning with India's counter-terrorism concern, a subtle sign of growing diplomatic coordination. इंडिया और अफगानिस्तान के बिटवीन डिप्लोमेटिक कोऑर्डिनेशन ग्रो हो रहा है. ये इस बात से प्रूफ होता है कि तालिबान गवर्नमेंट ने पहलगाम टेरर अटैक जो कि इंडिया में हुआ है उसको कंडेम किया था. वाई इंडिया इज चूजिंग टू एंगेज विद तालिबान नाउ. प्रेजेंट में तालिबान के साथ इंडिया एंगेज क्यों कर रहा है? तालिबान लीडर्स हैव कंसिस्टेंटली प्रेज इंडिया डेवलपमेंटल रोल इन अफगानिस्तान, contrasting it with the selfish motives of यूएस. अफ़गानिस्तान के डेवलपमेंट में इंडिया का जो रोल रहा है उसको तालिबान लीडर्स कंसिस्टेंटली प्रेज कर रहे हैं टू शो दैट तालिबान इज ईगर फॉर एंगेजमेंट एंड सीक इंडियाज असिस्टेंस टू रिबिल्ड अफगानिस्तान इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड इकोनॉमी, बैलेंसिंग डिप्लोमेसी विद प्रिंसिपल्स. India's outreach comes with moral and diplomatic dilemmas. While engagement aligned with strategic and security interests, it raised questions about India's stance on Taliban's regressive policies, especially regarding women's rights and freedoms. A changed geopolitical landscape. The regional power matrix has shifted dramatically since the Taliban's last rule. Pakistan, once the Taliban's key support, is not now a key partner. Iran is weakened by internal and economic challenges. Russia is embroiled in war. The US, under Donald Trump 2.0, has adopted a non committal approach. Meanwhile, China has deepened its influence, becoming the first major power to exchange ambassadors with the Taliban. This evolving scenario has opened strategic space for India, pushing India to recalibrate its Afghanistan policy. Strategic imperative for India. India fears that non-engagement would erode its decade-long investment in Afghanistan, in infrastructure, education, and connectivity projects, and diminish its regional security leverage. Given Afghanistan's proximity and potential to influence India's internal security and trade route, maintaining direct communication with Kabul has become essential. Unlike in the 1990s, the Taliban now face no internal political opposition within Afghanistan. The Pakistan factor in India-Taliban relations. The deteriorating relationship between the Taliban and Pakistan has created new opportunities for India's engagement with Kabul. Because present में तालिबान एंड पाकिस्तान के रिलेशनशिप डिटोरेट हो रहे हैं, इसने इंडिया के लिए न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्रिएट की हैं. एज पाकिस्तान डिपोर्ट थाउजेंड ऑफ अफगान रिफ्यूजीज, इंडिया हैज स्टेप्ड in to provide humanitarian and logistical support for Afghanistan. India has delivered extensive relief shipment to Afghanistan, including 50,000 metric ton of wheat, 300 ton of medicines, 27 ton of earthquake relief material, 40,000 liter of pesticides, 100 million polio doses, 1.5 million COVID-19 vaccine doses, 11,000 hygiene kits for drug de-addiction program. India and Afghanistan have also discussed strengthening sports cooperation, particularly in cricket, which enjoy massive popularity among Afghan youth. India and Afghanistan agreed to enhance trade through Iran's Chabahar port, facilitate commercial exchange and humanitarian shipment, and reinforcing India's strategic role in regional connectivity. What is Taliban's why? What is Taliban seek from India? Requested India to issue visa. तालिबान की इंडिया से क्या क्या डिमांड है? नंबर वन, requested India to issue visa. The Taliban government had requested India to issue visa for Afghan businessmen, patients, and students, aiming to restore people-to-people ties disrupted since the regime change. India's concern, however, this demand faced challenges as India does not officially recognize the Taliban, has security concerns regarding visa applications, and currently lack functional consulate or a visa office in Afghanistan. India also wants to give support. Despite these limitations, India has expressed a willingness to continue and expand developmental projects across all 34 Afghan provinces. India is signaling a pragmatic approach focused on reconstruction and long-term engagement rather than formal recognition.